and welcome back to our Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. I am Biometric and today we are diving into the world of UK immigration with a brand new system called e-visas. But before that, if you're someone who's looking to study in UK, check out the appointment link in the description box below. Gone are the days of carrying around physical biometric resident permits, also known as BRCs. UK is moving towards a digital future and e-visas are at the forefront. So what exactly are they? Think of an e-visa as an online record that holds all the information previously found on your BRP. It details your immigration status, your visa type, and your permission to stay in the UK. And here's the best part. You can use your e-visa to prove your immigration status online to your employers, landlords, and anyone else who needs to verify. No more scrambling for physical documents. So who can access an e-visa? If you currently hold a BRP or a Frontier Worker Permit, you can set up your access to an e-visa right now. But wait, there's more. The UK government website offers a checker tool to see if your specific immigration document allows e-visa access. How to access your e-visa? Getting your e-visa is a breeze. Head over to the UK government website. If you haven't already, create your UK Visa and Immigration account, that is the UKVI account. Verify your identity using the handy UK Immigration ID Check app. Once verified, your e-visa will be linked to your UKVI account. You will receive an email notifications once it is ready for access. Few important notes. Remember, having an e-visa doesn't change your immigration status or visa conditions. It is simply a convenient way to access this information digitally. And guess what? You can still use your physical BRP until it expires, so the transition is smooth and hassle-free. While e-visas offer a convenient digital solution for proving your immigration status, we will still recommend you to carry a physical copy of your BRP while traveling abroad. This extra precaution can be helpful in case of technical issues or unexpected situations. And it is always better to be prepared and have a physical backup. So there you have it. The UK's e-visa system is simplifying immigration processes and offering a secure digital solution. If you have any questions or need any further clarification, check out the UK government website. So that was all from my end. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive more such updates from Grad-Dreams.